Very small, 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 small. Good morning, everybody. What's shaking my bacons? We are watching AFRM right now. We just bought a tiny little bit at 114. We're going to add a little at 113. Very small. We have 25 shares now. We're going to look for a fall from moving average off the opening. Going to add a little at 112. I don't know. Again, just keep it small. 110.31 is the pivot point. Very small. Seems a little newsy here. We'll see what happens off the opening. We're a little bit long. Keeping it small. Ooh, that 110.30 was nice. We'll see if we get a fall from moving average trade right off the opening. Yeah, it could be news. Obviously, it could be news. Keep it small. I'm going to look far from moving average right out of the gate, guys. Amazon news. AFRM. Wow, doing the same thing, AFRM. All right, let's see what happens. Going to 1 minute in AFRM. Average is 110.50. So if we get above that, it's starting to sell some. See what happens. Firm you along. All right. Got out 110.50 and 111 in AFRM. Sold some at 110.50. Sold some at 111. Selling more up here, guys. Got some more off at 111. Damn, that was a spot. 111 was a spot to get out. All right, we'll see what the next move is. Leaving out 111. I bought more stock instead of selling it. Leave out 111. Selling a little more here. 110.40. What happened in a firm? Firm bounced a little bit. I try to have like a 109 stop in AFRM now. It's got to get above 110.50. All right, try to have a 110 stop now in AFRM. UPST coming, all right. All right, flat AFRM. Yeah, we got a couple of bucks. It's all right. What up, guys? Got $1.60 in AFRM. Got up 1.5 times my goals. Good. Good. Let's see what the next move is. What was that other wackadoodle one? UPST? No. Yeah, UPST again. Let's smack it. I don't like anything 259. I like it. I mean, it might have just given a far from moving average trade there. Morning, guys. Morning. Love when DG is on. Cancel that. Morning, Azam. Just had to keep it small, the AFRM. It's going to happen once in a while where we do that. Wonder where it gave the far from moving average. Too choppy to even look. 97.50 is an actual level. MRNA. Oh, MRNA hit our pivot point, guys. 443.50. We had that out there earlier. Damn. Right? Yep. You guys get it? Oh, nice. Very nice. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. That one worked nicely. Yeah, firm's going a little bit now. NVIDIA moving well. Wow. NVIDIA got up to 229. What's this EFTR? Yeah, this thing's spready. Just getting out of EFTR. I don't think this thing is real. We only had 10 shares anyway. I'm trying to sell EFTR and I'm buying it. Can you put sell in, please? I left MRNA out now? You're kidding me. I didn't want it second time down. All right. You guys got MRNA the first time, right? Yeah, I didn't want it the second time. Affirm 105 weekly. All right. I left the MRNA out, guys, so we don't have a position in this. I just left it out. No position in MRNA. Ah. AFTR, Affirm weekly. Guys, I screwed up the MRNA. I left my 444 out there. So we should not have a position. Yes, 437 is a spot in MRNA. Let's do it. That I like. 437. Yep, VIXY spiking. I forgot to cancel my MRNA. 437, guys. AFRM. Wow, AFRM got to 106. Holy mackerel. Oh, that's what happens when you forget orders. $437. in MRNA, guys. We try it with a $2 stop. All right, we're in a little MRNA at 437. Start selling some if we get to 438. If. So a little MRNA. So a little at 438.50, guys. Selling more MRNA. Yeah, that was a good level. All right. Man, I didn't get out of it. You gotta be kidding me. All right, guys, break even stop. That was a good trade. I had it out, but it didn't take me out of the trade. Gotta be kidding me. Next level in MRNA, guys. Anyone got one? Yeah, far from moving average now. $420. All right. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. You know, we're $10 away from the moving average in MRNA. So it's usually when we get a bounce. We'll see what happens. UPST in. Ooh, 259 UPST. All right, guys. Yep. Anyone else in UPST at 259? Very nice. All right, take $1 out of some for shizzle. For shizzle, wow, that was perfect UPST, guys, for a couple of bucks. Nice job. Nice job. I just tried to get out of MRNA and I bought more. Come on, Davey. Apologize, guys. But I had my bad order in MRNA to begin with. All right, have your break-even stop in UPST now. The video on the pivot. Nope, the video broke through the pivot. Do not do anything in the video. Apple. Yeah, well, the whole thing was I had my order at 444 to buy the stock. So that was the end of that. Maybe we get a fall from moving average trade now. Snap. Let's look at Snap. AMBA. That 145 was a little spot in AMBA. Yes. Roku. Wow, these things are getting just hammered, right? Whack. Absolutely whack. NVIDIA. Let's look. NVIDIA. Yeah, give me levels, guys. I don't see anything in NVIDIA. Where do you get MRNA? You got to look for a far from moving average trade, if anything. AFTR. AFTR. ATFR. I got it. I got it. Oh, wow. All right. Long VIXY. Let's look. No, VIXY's never a buy, guys. It's a short, if anything. I mean, it's up a whopping 30 cents. Absolutely not. Baba coming in. AMC. Yeah, we liked AMC going to 50 last week. Yeah, Spider's chopping around. Little bounce, little bounce, little bounce. Not much. The only thing I can say in MRNA now, guys, let's go to the 1 minute. All right. Let's try to grab a little MRNA on a green bar, guys. Get ready to buy a little with a market order. We see a green bar. Let's buy a little with a $2 stop. All right. Not yet. Not yet. We're like $15 below the moving average now. Not yet. Not yet. Now we're going to look for off a moving average. Now, grab a little 426.30. Have a $2 stop. Let's see what happens. Start selling a little if we get above 427. All right, sell a little 427. Have some out at 428, guys. Have some out at 428. All right, try to keep a break-even stop now because that was not much of a bounce. Let's see what it goes. I do my own financial advising. You got $1? All right, good. Good, 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 good. That's all it was good for at the moment. Apple. All right, let's look at UPST. UPST almost set up for a short, but 259, it gave you $5 in UPST. Right? 259 to 264 in UPST. I was sick. SPY happened to grab. Yeah, all right. Bouncing a little bit. But again, I think let's see where we are daily. Weekly. Nah, I mean, we got room down to 444 on the weekly. That's just a trend in the spiders, so. Nothing there. We're still kind of hanging. Yeah, it's hanging here. MRNA's having a big bounce now. Yep. Oh, 430.40 could be the short in MRNA now. 430.40. I don't know if we want to run it and short it, though. Could have room to 433. What are you doing? You doing anything? Oh, I'm on a 1 minute. Sorry, guys. Oh, wow. Yeah, I wouldn't run in and short MRNA here, guys. This thing's got room back to, 437 if it bounces. Let's just leave it for now. ATER. ATER. Holy mackerel, is it shortable? ATER? Let's look. ATER. ATER. I don't have it short. You guys have short? I don't have it short. ATER. 1783, guys, if you have it short. No, MRNA had the big reversal already. It was hard to hang with the far from moving average when it was all the way down there, so. Now it's kind of in nowhere's land. AFRM. Yeah, I mean, this whole market was set up for a giant dipsy doodle. Baba, short for swing. Look. Now, Baba's on the trend. $164.40 could be the short in Baba. Where's the next spot in MRNA, guys? What do we got? Well, here we go. 420.80, guys. I got 420.80. Certainly you start looking far from moving average. Wow, we just missed it. Damn. No, we can't short after the. Now we just missed the pivot point in MRNA. 420.60 was the spot, you son of a beeswax. Again, let's look for another far from moving average trade if we get to 420.60, guys. I know, but nobody could short ATER. Could you short it? I couldn't short it. No, I think MRNA is going lower, everybody. But that was the trade at 420.60. It missed it by a couple of bucks, not by a couple of cents. And the daily, let's see, 414 is daily, guys. 414. That would be the next spot I look. 414 would be the next spot I look. 414. Nope, that was a spot. We got a $3 bounce in MRNA from there. $3 bounce. Yep. Again, that was a technical analysis there that just worked perfectly. Oxy. Well, we didn't need a fib. We had the pivot point right there for a $3 trade. I know it, just missed it, Adam. I see it. I see it. I see it. RSKD. I don't see anything in this thing. ATER. Oh, that was a good short. Well, you got 1525 ATER and 1490 small. 1525, 1490 ATER. MRNA to, I don't know about that. 430, 430 would be resistance. 430, 430 is the first spot of resistance. I don't know. It still looks like crap to me. I don't know. So we need this green bar above like 426.50 to get going at all. You got it at 430. No. 420.30. Maybe 420.30. Tesla 710.65. No, if MRNA breaks this recent low, 420, 430, it's going lower. See what the next move is. AFRM. Give me levels in AFRM, right? We got nothing until 97.60. That's the next spot. Worked perfectly to cost me $77. Which one, Scott? Which one? Yeah, I mean, MRNA just still looks like a better short. It's sitting right at this level now. Again, I'm not shorting it here, but I'm just saying. It needs above this green bar now, which is 425.68, which it could not get above. So it still looks like a short to me. I would not be buying MRNA. Look, we had one losing trade in MRNA, and then we got the far from moving average trade for $1. That was it. AFRM 101.50. Yeah, we ain't going to 101.50. Yeah, that's why MRNA is a better short, guys. It is a better short. Yeah, ATR couldn't pull back to the trend line, which was 15.50. And it's still, now it's consolidating. Looks like it wants to go up. What's a daily in MRNA, Julian? Let's look. 413.85, right? That's a spot, guys. 413.85. It's down $8 from here, but That is the daily on the 15 EMA, 413.85. Now we bounced off the pivot point again. Look at that. Got the 420, gave 3 quick dollars. Yep. 3 banana skins. Did you get it, Ken? On the pivot point? Oh, nice. Anyone else get the pivot? 420? That was a beautiful spot for $4. Wow. James got it. Ken got it. James got $2. Gorgeous, guys. No, this was it, guys. Look at the technical analysis. Okay. It exactly hit our pivot point at right around 420 and gave you a quick $3. Exactly. That was the spot to be in MRNA. Now it hangs. I don't know. If it breaks that, we're going low. We could see that 413. Very possible. Very possible. I'm new today. How can I have the red and green? Stoge, we'll talk about that in a little bit when we slow down. Those are pivot points. We are using Think or Swim for trading, for charting. So everybody in the room is using Think or Swim for charting. It doesn't cost anything to get. Mara, I don't see anything in Mara, guys. This whole move is 30 cents. Don't like it. CVX long at 38. CVX 98.70. Now 97.50 is the trend in CVX. So yeah, you have 97.80 and 97.50. Yeah, I don't know, Ken. I don't think we're seeing back to 430 in MRNA. The bloom is off the rose. If it breaks that pivot, we can see that 414. $426 for a fib. All right, see what happens. It just went to 426.69. It missed it by 3 cents and went down $1.50. Holy mackerel. Well, it missed it by 3 cents. Just missed it. Nice call, though. Look, when you're having a bad day, Emperor, or you can't hit anything, don't trade. All right? Everyone in the room is slightly green. How's everybody sitting in the private trading room? Where are we? Ken is mega green. Talk to me, Goosies. Green, 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 big green. Green is F. AFRM ripped my face off. All right, that's fine. Better than last week. Crushed it on MRNA. Nice job, guys and girls. Nice job. GameStop. Have made more than I normally do. Excellent. Good to have you back, sir. My pleasure. Whoa, GameStop. Oh, we just hit the pivot here at 198.50. What Brian said times 1,000. Nice job, Ken. So, guys, those of you who are at, near, hit your levels, just relax now. Cut your size and don't be in a hurry. All right? I'm green AF here in Benzinga. Small green. Good. No revenge trading, please. I'm going all in snap at 71.27. I would have liked it if we got that half. MRNA 4, what do you got? MRNA 416. Let's look. What is that, Ken? You got a fib? Oh, the 2 hour. All right. 1 hour, 200. 416.35. Yes, guys. That is a spot. 416.35 MRNA. Again, you just got to do it with a stop if we're going to do it. It is not, don't average in or anything. All right. What happened with Boyle? Yeah, it's still hanging up here. Maybe we look at Boyle, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. The market is back from vacation. Yes. APP far from moving average. Bear, remind me. I'll go over everything that we use before we get out of here today. AFRM just looks like a short, guys. I mean, 97.50 would be spectacular in AFRM. Boeing double bottom. All right, here we go. Guys, we still have the VIXI. I think we're long. Where are we long VIXI, guys? What is it, 25.72, something like that? 15, 9, 15, 65, and 200 are our moving average. 9, 15, 65, and 200 exponential. MRNA broke pivot. Yeah, still hanging. At 416. Yes, 9, 15, 65, and 200. How you doing, Diane? You all right? Those are exponential moving averages. All right, so MRNA, guys. 416.30. But let's have it on this pop down. 416.30 MRNA. Yes, 416.45. But again, do it small. I personally use 918, 200. All right, that's okay. That's all right. Everybody uses different stuff. You know, whatever works for you works for you. I can tell you that for this year, we're well over 80% on our trades using what we use. It's all about patience and discipline. All right, let's see if MRNA holds here. We in MRNA, guys? Give it a little bit here. Nothing seems to be holding. It's popped up like 30 cents. That was it. Sell some MRNA at 417. Now, you had to give MRNA more room than that, guys. I said you got to give it $2. Yeah, there you go. Start selling 418 up here, guys. You cannot have a dollar stop in MRNA, guys. Yeah, it gave you a nice $1.50 from there. But you cannot have a dollar stop. We talked about it. This thing is really bad shape now. Well, I don't know. Let's go look. Oh, there we go, guys. 413.22 is daily. 413.22. Got to try that, guys. Same way. That gave you a quick $1.50 in and out. So daily now. This is the last bastion of support. Let's just call it 413. That's it. Pivot points automatically come up, Rodney. I learned MRNA the hard way. Look, you're keeping everything small. MRNA's worked. So one stop out, one fall for moving average. Just got a couple of bucks on that trade. 413 is the pivot point. I mean, it's a daily. Look at AFRM getting a smackdown here. Ugly. AFRM could get to that 97.50, guys. Let's see what happens. Bouncing MRNA burner. Stick on ice. The firm got upgraded. Nice call by that guy. Well, where are we? We might get to our first level on a weekly chart in the spiders, guys. 443.55. That could easily hit 443.55, and I would be long there, guys. It's down 2 points from here. I'll tell you what I will do. Sell all the VIXY. Because this thing isn't even up. This thing's up 40 cents today, and the market's getting crushed. There's money to be made. I just can't stick one. That's all right. I mean, if we get to our level, I will short VIXY and get out of the long, yes. That's 443 and change. We still got 2 points at him, so we're not even close yet. But at 443 and change, yes. Look, if we go to the weekly chart in the spiders, I mean, could we get down to the 438? Possibly. And that would just be a normal pullback to the 15 EMA. So let's see what happens. ATER, about AETR. No, ATER. Yeah, I mean, ATER could not get down to the freaking trend line at all. The video. Wow. Well, the video just hit our pivot point here to the penny, 219.60. I don't know if I like it. Probably better off looking for a far from moving average in the video. Just got the RSI. It's $3 away, but it's kind of, you know, if you bought the pivot point, it's kind of the same thing. I'm buying calls on Spider at 145 for a daily swing. Yeah, we'll see. MRNA just bounced $2.50. And you're getting a bounce off the pivot point in the video. Not big, but you're getting a bounce. That was a little spot, I guess. AFRM. Yeah, bouncing AFRM. Just went up $3. Fortinet, give me the symbol, guys. Chai. Give me the symbol. AFRM 108, 110.65. Sounds like someone who's long AFRM, Solid. You've been awful quiet this morning. Let's see how well I know my customers. Oh, do I know my customers? All right, how's everybody in Benzinga doing? We're already starting to lose volume in the market, right? Whack. Apple's got its event tomorrow. Probably not going to do anything between now and then. Little bounce in MRNA. Obviously, MRNA 427. MRNA got $15 below the moving average. Jeez Louise. SPY. SPY, I like long on our weekly 9. 443.60. 443.60. 443.60. Especially if it happens today. That would be a nice spot. ATR. I'm taking off the 1650. We'll try 1570 only. All right, it's 1590, Lou, which is good. 1590. MRNA's hanging. Trying to bounce a little bit. I'm in Boeing double bottom. What was it? 210.11? What was it? It only broke it by 30 cents. All right. Take some profits, Dana. FTNT. There we go. Fortnite. Oof. Looks like a lot of other stocks. This thing doesn't have enough average daily volume for us to get involved in it. But it just broke the daily. Oh, it's coming to the weekly. 296 FTNT could be a good spot for a trade. That is the weekly. I don't know how this trades, but we have a nice support level, 295.80. Look at that, how beautiful that's held that trend line this whole time. So 295.80 and FTNT is a little spot if you like it. 295.80. Snapper. Yeah, Snapper's bouncing a little bit. Nothing there, Melissa. MRNA. To me, MRNA's consolidating for another down move, right? Looks like it anyway. OCGN. Yeah, it's a 17-cent pop. Don't care. 1016 Hollywood World Housing gives nod to Baharat's. Oh, that's OCGN. Got it. Thank you. MRSN. Yeah, MRSN. I don't think I'd short. If you like it, you buy it. Hang out. This is not a day trade. It's kind of a lottery ticket. Made a low at $8. Kind of just hanging. Good, Dana. We're going to try to get going a little bit. AFRM, nice bounce. AFRM, the trend is around 108. I would short it at 110 if we go in that direction. 108, 110. ATER. Got fib on the VWAP in 15. Yeah, it's just not pulling back. ATER. Need a pullback. UPST looking to short. 270. Yes, I like it. Yep, MRNA's getting a little leggy poo-poos now. It's trying. Look, you can't be in a hurry to short MRNA. I mean, 425 we short MRNA. That'd be up $10 from where we just were. Definitely 431. I mean, look, these stocks were due for a big bounce. They got absolutely crushed. SPRT, squeeze coming. Squeeze. This thing's getting crushed like a potato lackey. This thing breaks 19. It's lights out. Oh, I know what this is. Yeah, squeeze coming. You know how many people lost money in this stock, Mark? A lot more than made money. Trust me when I tell you that. Talk about a meme. $60 to 19. Yeah, eventually. Not for us, guys and girls. Not for us. No, thank you. We don't get into the meme stocks because more people lose money than make money. I can tell you that right now. We trade them when they set up to trade, but we do not run in and chase them at $60. I'll tell you that right now. I like 50 better in AMC, guys. Yeah, 57's down a buck. If it holds there, maybe you grab a little, but 50's better. Well, let's see what the market's doing, guys. Starting to head back down again. Yeah, GameStop double bottom works if it went fast, but you're just getting a bounce right now. AMC's probably going to give you a little bounce there, too. There you go. MRNA's getting a nice bounce off the lows. Well, Frank, I have more people come to me, okay, that have gotten crushed in these stocks than have made money. That's the bottom line. So I don't let my people get involved in that at all in any way, shape, or form until they set up for trades. SPRT went from 60 to 19. It went from 19 to 60. And now from 60 to 19. We do not trade on hype. So you want technicals in SPRT? 1550 is a spot to buy it if you like it. 1550. That's the weekly. And again, guys, trust me when I tell you, listening to people who tell you things are going to the moon is a recipe for disaster. Okay? It is a recipe for disaster. I love AMC. We called AMC last week when it was 40-something dollars and said it was going to 50. It's a meme stock, but the chart set up. It was beautiful. Yeah, ATER is just tremendous. It just won't pull back. Jeez Louise. Again, Mark, I'm not saying it can't bounce back, but it's just not something we get involved in unless it sets up technically for us to trade. And trust me when I tell you, Mark, more people are losing money in that than are making. And a bunch of accounts got wiped out buying the stock at $50 and watching it go to 19. Yeah, all right, Lou. Taking its sweet time getting there, right? UPST. Do we like MRNA short on the VWAP? Yes, certainly MRNA at 428. 428 to 430 MRNA. Absolutely, Julian. I know, and ATR is just not given a good spot to get in. You just look the whole day. I mean, if you believed in it, you had to get in at 1450, right on the, you know, when the market opened. That was the trend line. So, yes, that one is getting squeezed today. No question. And it broke up above the daily and the weekly on huge volume. So, yeah, it looks good. In UPST, lose short a little UPST. All right. So that was our 65 EMA. I'll explain why Lou got into this trade. All right, the stock went up 10 points, hit our 65 EMA, which is a trend, right around 270.10. So next spot above that is 274. And, you start taking a profit if you get between 50 cents and $1. That's why that hit our 65 EMA for a far from moving average trade. And there's $1 profit. See that, guys and girls? 270.20. It just traded at 269.10. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Nice $1 profit. Which one, Born to Free? SPRT? Good. If you got in and got out, that's spectacular. That's what you're supposed to do. Trade, trade, trade. I don't know. The 9 in MRNA is 425. That would be up exactly $10. We want to be more conservative. We wait to that 427 or the 430. Everything's starting to bounce a little bit now. Just enter a trade with a trailing stop. Now, we can't have stops of 10 cents. 90% of the trades that we do, we're going to have stops between 50 cents and $1. We're not going to get the exact price either way. So you can't have a 10-cent stop in any of the trades that we do. Yeah, the whole market's ripping up right now, guys. So let's be conservative on the short side now. The fib is a VWAP, Ken. I mean, the VWAP is a fib also in MRNA. Nah. All right. So MRNA the short is 428, guys and girls. 428 is the short in MRNA. Holy ATER. Sick, right? It's just not giving a shot to get in. Oh, it could hit 20 easily. It could hit 20 in the next 5 minutes. The problem is, Ken, giving us a spot to buy it. That's the problem. And right now, it's not. So for all my Benzinga peeps who are here, my private trading room is at full capacity. What I'm doing for my Benzinga people who are visiting is anyone who emails me, I will give a 5-day free trial. But I only want people who are interested in actively day trading all day. So if you are, dgreen927@yahoo.com is my email. Send me an email. I'll get you in this week for a free trial. dgreen927@yahoo.com. All right, UPST 274 is the spot to try a little short for a quick trade. So it gave you $1. 274 is a 200 EMA. So let's see if it does it right now. All right, so dgreen927@yahoo.com for anyone who wants to come into the room for the rest of this week and hang out with us. So let's see if UPST is going to get really close but not get there. Let's see what happens. I mean, the MO of this market has been to get bailed out every time we have a nice pullback. Shorted UPST at 274. Again, you got to give this at least $1. Have orders out to cover it. 273.50, 273.10. Have your orders out. Thank you, Happy. I'm not in a hurry to do anything right now, guys and girls. I don't have a good handle on what's going on right now. Spiders are kind of just hanging. I like some guys in the room are green AF. We are losing volume, though. Look at the MRNA volume. Well, let's look at everything, okay? Look at the volume in MRNA. It's going away. The video, it's going away. Everything's kind of just Yeah, just have your orders out in UPST. Should get a little pullback here. All right, UPST just gave 50 cents so far. Yeah, try to get a buck on the rest. See what happens. Out UPST. All right. I still think you might be able to get a buck on it. Let's see what happens. There's your dollar in UPST, guys. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Okay. 274. Just traded 273. Boom. Boom. Told you you'll get a dollar out of it, Ken. Did I or did I not? All right, ATER. Well, 1785 was the VWAP. 1710 is the spot to buy a little ATER. 1710. Got February calls on spiders. All right. February calls. All right, let's put this out. 1710 in ATER. 1710. Holds that, we can size up a little bit. It's actually 1732. Let's come up a little. It's actually bouncing now, so it doesn't really matter. But let's have out 1732. MRNA burner. Yeah, MRNA can't get anywhere, right? No real bounce in MRNA. Wrapping up here, team. What are we wrapping up?
Hey, David, how's it going? I got word from the team that we have an interview that got rescheduled to 10:30, so we got to wrap up a little early today.
All right, no sweat.
But
sounds good.
For everyone out there, we got the links for Wall Street Global Trading Academy in the description. So if you haven't checked it out already, go please do that, as well as the Benzinga Pro free trial. And stick around. We got a big interview on SPAX Attack coming up right now from the New York Stock Exchange, a brand new IPO. So yeah, David, we'll see you back tomorrow morning.
All right, over and out, guys.
Peace.